Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly change your work status on Monday.com. If you're currently working and you want to change your status, this is super easy to do. To do that, click your account on the upper right hand side. Then on the bottom, you'll find working status. Now, if you hover over that, you will see that it changes. So here it says working status, says do not disturb. You can turn that on or off, but to change your status to more options, click on more or hover over more and you'll find more things. So that gives you, for example, out of office, working from home, family time, working outside, whatever. So let's say I'm going to say I'm on a break. Click on that and you can see that it changes, right? If you want to change it to something else, let's say I'm out of office, you can do that as well, right? You can basically change to whatever you want. I'm sick, you change it as well. So that's it. Very easy and very simple. How to change your status on Monday.com. Very easy and very simple.